Sir, I am very confused. How do I start preparing for JEE Main 2022, sir? It's already 12th. It's already 5 months left. Please help, sir. Okay, step by step. First thing first. Do you know the reason why you want to go into IIT? Yes, sir. I have seen your video on why IIT, sir, which is there in the description. I know what are my strong reasons. Okay. Have you removed all the obstacles which stopped you from studying until now? Yes, sir. I've seen your video on obstacles. I have removed all those obstacles. Now I'm ready to start studying. Okay, good. Have you arranged all the study material? Yes, sir. I've seen your video on the books which is there in the description. I know what all books are there. Do you know how to use them? Sir, yeah, go watch that video completely. You will know how to use each and every book. Okay, sir. I'll do that, sir. Okay. Once you have done that, now tell me what is the problem. Sir, the problem is my 11th is weak. I cannot study 12th because I don't know the foundation chapters. Okay. So should I complete 11th completely and then do 12th? How do I do it? That's the confusion. Okay. You have to do alternate chapters. One from 11th, one from 12th. Sir, which chapters? You can start from the beginning, pick up the chapters which are there in the book, follow that sequence. But sir, I have done the beginning chapters already. I've done their theory. I keep doing their theory again and again, thinking that doing them well, I will be able to do later chapters, but I'm not able to do later chapters. Okay, if you have done the theory for any chapter, you will not have to do their theory again. Just do the questions of those chapters. Okay, sir, got it. And then do the later chapters. Okay, sir. Later chapters, obviously, you are doing it for the first time. You will find them difficult, but you will have to grind and keep trying. Okay, sir, I'll do that. Thank you, sir. This is helpful. Okay, but sir, I have many more problems, sir. Like I get distracted. I don't feel like studying. I'm not able to study long hours. Many problems, sir. Backlog, so much worries. Okay, if you have so many problems, then you need to subscribe to this channel to get more videos, understand how do you tackle those problems. If you still have problems, go download our app, Conquer IIT JEE. It will really help you because we have mentors assigned to you which will help you how to navigate or how to maneuver all these problems. Okay, so do download and enroll in mentorship. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. This was very helpful, sir. I will definitely like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll share this video with my friends also, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. Take care. All the very best for your preparation. Bye.